Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is nutrition expert Pranoti. Now, in my last video, I have discussed a few ways to keep coronavirus at bay, and also I have discussed some of the points to boost your immunity. Now, in today's video, I will be discussing some of the key points in regards to the second wave of the COVID that has hit us. First of all, I believe that the virus has mutated quite a bit. That's the reason the RT-PCR test seems to be unable to detect the virus, and there are many asymptomatic cases. And also many people are negative. The test they are getting negative, but when they do the CT scan test, they seems to get chest infection. So so what we need to do now? So first of all, we need to get quarantine, for 14 days. You need to be quarantined for 14 days. I mean, irrespective of the test result, or you're waiting for the test result after you have traveled somewhere, or if you're showing any sign or symptoms. Okay, watch out for the new symptoms, okay, of the COVID second, as the virus is showing multiple new symptoms such as diarrhea, abdominal discomfort, or there is headache, there is discoloration, bluish discoloration of the hands and toes, then there is conjunctivitis, in addition to the older symptoms, that is fever, sore throat, running nose, and breathlessness, cough, all of these. Apart from the symptoms, you also need to understand when to rush to the hospital. Keep a simple point in mind, considering the fact that the healthcare sector is almost collapsing, and there are few beds available, no oxygen available, no place in the hospitals. The hotels, people are converting hotels into hospitals. So, taking all of this point in mind, see that you monitor your the initial signs and symptoms at home, or you consult with your family physician or your family doctor first before rushing to the hospital. So it is better to monitor your signs and symptoms at home first, and do the teleconsultation or online consultation with your family doctor, so that they can start the medicines at home. Also keep in mind, if your oxygen saturation levels, okay, goes down below 92%, okay, for more than 3 to 4 hours, irrespective of the deep breath, then there is a need to go to the hospital. Keep oximeter at home, to check the oxygen level. Same with fever. If your fever is 102 degree Fahrenheit in spite of taking paracetamol for more than 3 days, then yes, then it's a concern and you need to go to the hospital, so that your fever and O2 levels can be taken care of in the hospital. You also need to know that the COVID is inflammatory in nature, so mostly all your parts of the body gets inflamed. So you will experience joint pain, lethargic, body pain, headache, chest pain, muscle pain. But all of these symptoms can be taken care at home. And for this signs and symptoms, there is no need to visit to the hospital. Only if your oxygen level goes down and your fever is not subsiding or not going down, then only you need to go to the hospital. Otherwise, don't. So just hang on in there. We'll get through all this, like the second wave, like the first wave of COVID. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself. Take care of the family. Okay. Start with the home remedies at home first. Okay. For any sign, we'll get through all this, like the second wave, like the first wave of COVID. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself. Take care of the family. Okay. Start with the home remedies at home first. Okay. For any sign, for smallest of sore throat, or for the running nose, see that you drink lukewarm water with add herbs and all. So try all these home remedies at home first. Taking vitamin C tablets or B complex tablets, drinking lukewarm water whole day. Doing pranayam or doing deep breathing. So all these small things you need to start at home first. Eating healthy, doing changing your lifestyle model, okay, or doing exercises, or pranayam, yoga, okay, drinking lukewarm water at home, as I said. So do all these symptoms at home first, okay, before getting panic. Don't get panic. We'll get through all this, okay, and take care of your health. That is more important. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.